Oh, nicely sleeping. Get up. Get up, you have online class, muddy fellow.
Already wait.
Fastly, how much time?
Yes, Mom, I'm brushing my teeth.
Go and bath.
Where is the phone, Mom?
You don't know that also? See, it's there.
Where is it also? Is there only, huh?
Yeah. Where are your books?
I'm finding. In this bag.
Huh.
Ma'am told only paper and pencil.
Okay. Go.
Because it's not notes, it's a test, Mom.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't keep your area messy.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Jignesh.
Ma'am,
Okay, start your test, children.
Yes, ma'am. My online test is done. Whoa, it's a lot of pain, Babu.
Hey, what you're sleeping, muddy boy? You have another class you forgot?
Mom, attending, Mom. This is also test. Yes, ma'am.
Hey, I told you to get up. It's already morning. You have to go to school, mad fellow. Bus will come in half an hour. Get up. What? Whom are you seeing? Brush your teeth fastly. Go, boy. You're not staying at home. You have to wear uniform.
What, Babu?
Fast.
Yes, I'm going to bathroom, Mom.
Chee. Okay, go to bath, wear your uniform and come outside.
Okay.
How much time? Your bus will arrive in 10 minutes and you have to eat breakfast also.
Putting buttons on the coat.
Okay, come outside. Appa, you're looking like my son. No?
Your
Favorite.
son only, Babu.
So beautiful.
Come on,
now you are.
drop me.
Okay, let's go and eat your breakfast.
Where is it?
Stay there.
Banana. 1 minute.
That is enough for you. See, your bus came.
Oh,
Take that banana and go. Take that banana and go.
I ate already one before.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hey, you forgot your bag.
Arre, Babu.
Take it back quickly. See this Salamara and your books.
You also have your books, Mama. Old books.
You go first.
Ah.
Boy, door is this side. Door is this side. You're going into the balcony. Door is this side.
Abba.
Bye. Be careful.
Bye.
Yeah. Go. Wear shoes and go, boy. You're forgetting everything. What are you doing in this much time? The bus is waiting. You're late to school. Bye.
I forgot to wear socks.
Get out.
Ah.
Jignesh,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me what is photosynthesis? Jignesh,
Yes, ma'am.
what is photosynthesis, Jignesh? You're not talking? Jignesh, are you stuck? Is he stuck?
This is called photosynthesis, ma'am.
What are you playing games with me? Say properly.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. I'm having a small internet problem.
Okay, Jignesh. Tomorrow I'll ask you this question. Please be prepared as you're having a... Jignesh? I think he's stuck. Children, let us continue. He's stuck.
Ma'am, can I come in, ma'am?
Oh yes, Jignesh, you can come in. Sit in your place, Jignesh. So children, today we are going to learn a new lesson. Okay children, yesterday I taught you a lesson, no? Today I am going to ask you some questions on that. Starting with Jignesh. So Jignesh, what is photosynthesis?
Ma'am,
What Jignesh?
ma'am,
You didn't learn?
ma'am, actually yesterday I got headache, ma'am, severe headache, and
Oh, before yesterday you got stomach pain and before that you got something else, huh?
ma'am, actually.
Get out of my class.
Ma'am.
Yesterday we all read together. Get out.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
I
left
said-
the heavy bag, ma'am.
What? Get out. Good morning class. Good morning class. So today as I told you I will teach a lesson. So this lesson is about rational numbers. So integers come under rational numbers and then whole numbers. Rational numbers also contain whole numbers and then natural numbers are also included in rational numbers. So that means children natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and everything comes under rational numbers only children. Okay children. Okay then see here. Then these are the examples of rational numbers. What are rational numbers children? Rational numbers are the numbers. So are the numbers which are p by q form where q is not equal to 0 and p by q are integers. Okay children. So that means integers. Jignesh? Jignesh, are you sleeping? Get up! I'm not your mother.
Ma'am.
Get up. Did you listen the lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you coming to school, Jignesh?
Ma'am, can you tell me a lesson?
Huh? Why are you talking in Telugu?
No.
Huh?
Ma'am.
What? No.
Ma'am, I said the lesson, ma'am. It's integers.
Huh? What is the lesson name, Jignesh?
Whole numbers, ma'am.
Whole numbers. So this whole period, I was teaching whole numbers. This whole period, I was teaching whole numbers. Yeah. Okay, children. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today you have a small test, okay? As I told you yesterday, what Jignesh, you kept your face like that?
No, ma'am. I'm ready for the test.
Okay, all of you close your books and keep your papers ready. Okay, now write. I shared you the screen.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm doing it. Yes, last one. Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Drawing period. Hey, do you want
Okay, children, thank you. Bye, children. I'll correct your test papers and send you.
Oh, yay!
So today we are going to have a test. Yesterday I told you I'll conduct a test. So today I'm going to conduct the test. I'm going to tell you the questions and you are going to write in your notes. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Testa.
What, Jignesh?
Yeah, ma'am, nothing, ma'am. I'm prepared for test.
Very good. Okay, start writing, children. First question. First question is, what do early humans used to do while they were living in the caves? Everybody are writing. Very good. Okay, did you complete the question, children?
No, ma'am.
Fastly.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
seems that Jignesh read everything. Okay, the second question is, what are 3 types of transports you can name? Quickly, children, this is very easy question. Okay, this is the last and final question. What question shall I ask? Now I ask you a hard question, okay? Should answer everything. How is fire invented, children?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So how is fire invented? Write down quickly and submit your answers. Jignesh,
Yes, ma'am.
what is this?
Test, ma'am.
Get out of my class. This fellow. Out. All the time you go out of the class. What is that?